Alright, this is my third example of taking a derivative using the product rule. And in this example, I have a product of three functions: 4x to the third, e to the x, and sine of x. So I up here added the extended version of the product rule. This is when you have three functions, and essentially it works exactly the same. You take the derivative of the first function, multiply it by the second two, then you leave the first function, take the derivative of the second function, multiply it by the third function, multiply the first function by the second function, and the derivative of the third function. So we're going to do that in an example right here. So we take the derivative of this first function, we get 12x squared. We leave the other two alone, e to the x sine x. For our second piece, we have the first function stays, 4x, and then the derivative of the second function, e to the x, is nice and easy. The third function comes down as is. In our third piece, the first two we copy, 4x third, e to the x, and we take the derivative of the last function, or cosine of x. And that is how you take the derivative of a function that's really the product of three functions, thanks to the product rule.